middle class trap. And right now I'm in Bangalore, and I want you to look at that building right now. Now, imagine people living in that building. How much money do you think they must be making on an average? 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh. But imagine if you're making 2 lakh a month. What would be the rent of that? 30,000, 40,000, 50,000? And then what is your expenses? 50,000, 1 lakh? Hardly you're saving 50,000 a month. And on top of that, car loan, home loan, so many loans that you have if you bought one, taking care of your family, your parents. Bachta kya hai? Nothing. This is called a middle class trap. We have been brainwashed to live a mediocre life, forced to continue to work in that job, pay the money and die. Is that what you really want in your life? Now the thing is, I was in that middle class trap and I came out of it in the year 2018. I quit my job and I built the business on our passion. Ever since, I can travel the world, live in fanciest places. I live in Dubai, meet amazing people, share the stage with some renowned entrepreneurs and philanthropists. I contribute to a lot of children's education. In fact, we spend 8 crores in just educating children. I could do all that only because I came out of that middle class trap. And I know you listening to this, you resonate with my feeling. You are also in that trap. How do you come out of that? How do you become wealthy? Is by doing things which you have never done before, meaning going beyond your 9 to 5 life, starting something on your own around your passion. But you're wondering, how, where, what is the idea? I need money. No, none of these things you need. All you need is your passion, your knowledge, and a computer with the internet. If you have all that, you can build the business around passion and come out of this middle class trap. If you want my help, I'm doing a webinar, which is 3-hour webinar. If you join, I'm going to share a blueprint called Passionpreneur Blueprint, which is helping you to build your business around passion. It has helped so many of my mentees come out of the middle class trap, and it can help you as well. Many of my mentees become 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗍, TEDx speaker, authors, coach, and so many things they've accomplished in such a short period of time. You'll be shocked to know their stories. Click the link. I'll see you in the webinar. Book the seat before the offer goes away. Take care. This is Dev Gadhvi on a mission to transform 1 billion lives. And I hope you will allow me or give me an opportunity to serve you and help you to come out of that middle class trap. Become the 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗍, first generation 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗍 in your life.
When I joined Dev Gadhvi, I transformed myself.
He's someone who has a heart of gold.
My perspective towards seeing the business has changed. He was a person I will always look as an epitome of serving.
Building up that enthusiasm and energy to go behind what you like, that's what Dev Gadhvi had impacted a lot around this.